Welcome to the product demonstration of automatic sun tracking solar panel. In this product we are using solar panel, LDR and PIC microcontroller, L293D motor driver and USB TP4056 and also using 3 volts battery. Here we can see the limit switch. Here we are using and also backside we are using. So we can see and also using a charging circuit. So we can see here. So this charging circuit is also called as a rectifier. So we are giving the power supply to this rectifier and we take power supply from here, and that power supply will be given to this voltage regulator. It takes 12 volts of input, and that 12 volts input will be step down into 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this charging circuit TP4056. So it takes the power supply from the charging circuit. So here we can see one diode is connected with the positive terminal. So whenever a solar panel giving the power supply, that power supply will be given to this TP4056 through that charging circuit. So whenever we on the power supply, so the power will be go back, reverse voltage will be go to the charging circuit. So in order to block the reverse voltage, we are using this diode. So we know that diode will be works on the only forward direction, it doesn't work in the reverse direction. So that's why we are using the diode here. So let me see power analysis. So here we are using 3 volts power supply. So that will be given to this TP4056 module. So through this one we can charge the battery using C pin, and also through this one we can providing the power supply to this USB module. So this USB module consists of a boost circuit. So it will boost up to 3 volts to 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this PIC microcontroller, and also that 5 volts will be given to this motor driver and also DC motor, and the DC motor will be works on the 5 volts of power supply. Through PIC microcontroller we are dividing the equal power to this LDR also. So now if we want to on the power supply for this system, we need to switch on this one. So here we can see system is in on position. So maintain some light to the LDR. So here you can see. ఆఫ్ చేసినప్పుడు పెట్టి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి So in this way it will works. So light will be detected by this LDR. When it detected, then will be go back side like this. So whenever a limit switch will be attached with this solar panel, then automatically it will come forward, which means the sunrise will be raised from this side and it will be in that side. So even that time there will be a night and it will come to the back position. So whenever a LDR detected the light, then it will send a message signal to this PIC microcontroller, and PIC microcontroller processes the signal. Then if it is detected any light, then it will give a signal to this L293D. So L293D drives the motor from forward side and reverse side also. Even when the LDR will be detected, so this 8293D drives the motor in a clockwise direction. So whenever the back limit switch will be pressed by the solar sensor, then this LDR will be rotate this one as a anti-clockwise direction. In this way this product will be works. So one doubt will be raised in your mind that so solar power panel is produced DC power supply, and again we are giving the supply to this bridge rectifier. So we know that bridge rectifier converts AC to DC, but we are giving again DC power to the rectifier. Why? Because it will be act as a polarity corrector and protect from the reverse voltage. Why? Because this rectifier consists of a diodes. It will works on the forward condition. It doesn't works on the reverse condition. That's why we are using the bridge rectifier here for the charging purpose. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watch.